What's up, YouTube? Bird Overland here. I thought we would just give you a quick update. We are up here in Skyline Drive, which is near Spanish Fort Canyon. The mountain range that we're in is called the Manti-La Mountains. This is one of my favorite spots. I want to make a quick video today kind of telling people why I choose to kind of stay out of national parks. So the first reason I like to camp on BLM land is that it's free. It doesn't cost anything. It is 100% free. I can't stress that enough. You don't have to reserve a campground. It is beautiful. You can find better spots on BLM land to camp than you would ever find in a national park anywhere. Just because it's a national monument doesn't mean that BLM land is any less valuable, you know. You're not gonna line up to go on a hike out here. You're not gonna see anybody, honestly. Like, I'm probably a good mile at least from the nearest people that are camping. Getting to these remote BLM lands is awesome. Like, I'm having to do a lot of off-roading. Some of the stuff, like for example, coming up here to Skyline Drive, you can do in a normal two-wheel car without any problems whatsoever. So I just wanted to give a quick update as to why I like camping kind of off-grid. Why I like camping away from the crowds. I don't feel like pulling up somewhere and unpacking your tent into a little pre-made campground with like 700 other people around you is camping. I don't feel like that's camping. I feel like when you guys are at work all week, you're trading one cubicle for another. I feel like when you go camping, you need to have complete solitude and freedom. You know, the point of camping is to get away. For me. And to remember nature. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel. We've got more videos coming every week.